Hey guys, today is another video, it's another vlog. I remember the last video I promised you that I'm gonna bring you here and show you where poor people shop. Actually, I'm gonna show you today where poor people shop. Not really poor, but everything in there is $1, guys. So you can literally go in there and shop everything for $1. This store is for people who are starters, actually people who are coming from out of the country, or people who have gone green cards, or people who are starting really live. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money, wondering that you don't have money to spend. But this store here, everything, it used to be $1, but I think everything nowadays is $1.25, and it's unaffordable for everyone. So the store, it's up here, so we're gonna walk over there and I'll show you how it looks like. Oh well guys, that is the store. It's called a Dollar Tree. Let's walk in there and see what's in there, how everything is $1. You can see there's a sign of $1 outside the door, and they're getting ready for Christmas, so at the same time we need to go there and see how they're getting ready. It's November, but it looks like most stores here are getting ready for Christmas, guys. Okay, let's go guys. Oh well guys, today actually I'm in this Dollar Tree store. I wanted to bring you here because I wanted to show you where poor people shop. Not really poor people, guys. This store actually is for anyone who let me turn around so you do you see what they have here? Christmas is already here. This is a store where everything in here used to be $1, but nowadays, because of the economy, American economy, now they raised the price. Pretty much everything here now, it's $1.25, as you can tell here. It's $1. Everything in here is $1.25, and the guys, you can tell they are so ready. It's November, literally November, and it looks like everybody is ready for Christmas. So I hope you guys watched my last video that I put up where I went to Target, and I wanted to show you how ready they are. And this one is another video that I promised that I'm going to show you that this store, everything in here is $1.25, and it's $1 for those people who are, say these people who are starters. For example, you're coming from out the country, you're coming to live here, and you don't really have a whole lot of money, and you are just trying to figure out how to start. You can literally come with $20 here and shop the entire. Yeah, you can get pretty much everything you need here. Guys, let me show you around. Yeah, so this store is basically here for, that's why I call it for poor people. Even the rich can shop here, especially decorations, guys. If you want decorations, you can come and you can come here and shop. For example, you're doing a party, you can come here and shop. I'm gonna show you around, guys, what they have. Look at this Christmas. It's November, and you can tell they are so ready for Christmas. Everything in here is $1.25, guys, in a store for less people who have less money, or people who have starters who are coming from out of the country, or people who want to just do decorations. You don't have a whole lot of money, or you don't want to to spoil your budget. You just want to spend less but do the entire decoration. So let me start here so I can show you on this aisle right here. So for example, you want to do a party. Wale mnapenda party. I'm speaking Swahili, guys, for those ones who come from my country. If you're doing a party, you don't want to spend a lot of money doing a party. You can come here, get everything that's sorted out, and everything is $1.25 for a party. For example, you want the plates, here spoons are here, and forks, table mats are here. So pretty much everything, the cups, you can come here and finish your party. If you want to buy somebody a card, for example, it's a birthday card, a graduation card, all the kids cards, everything, it's right here. And as you can tell, cards, I'm surprised to see 2 cards for $1. So as you can tell, you can come here and get cards. Yeah, you can tell, you can come here and get cards. Oh, this is for party. You want to buy someone a gift, you can tell, you can come here and get a gift for someone, and you want your cleaning stuff, you can come right here and get your cleaning stuff, and everything is $1, guys. You see what I'm talking about? For those if you wanted something for schools, for kids, quick art crafts right here. You know, some stuff for kids, even grown-ups. If you want something, some markers and pencils, you know, you don't want to go those expensive stores. I love coming here because of the markers and the pencils and the glue, you know, those little things. It's just $1. I love it. Look over here, these pens and pencils. You see, you can come here and get them. Let's go around. So guys, laundry basket here. You see, if you come from outside the country, you see all the decorations are here. Santa is right here. You see, beautiful. You don't need to break your budget. So that's why I say this is a store for the poor people. Everything you need is right here. Look at these cute mats here. You know, when you really see in America, when we use things here, we don't keep things for a long time. You just use and throw it away and get another one. You use it and throw it away, get another one. So you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, expensive things. You see? Your beauty section here, everything you got here, your hair, you know, everything you need for your hair is right here. You see, you can live here comfortably with just a $20, you know, $50. Doesn't matter how much money you're making. You can literally survive in America. Everything that you need for your household. Well, let me take you. They have even food in here. Let's go see food actually. They have food here. So let's go. Let's go this aisle. Didn't I tell you they have food right here? This is food right here. They have food in the freezer. They have tequila beef. They have pizza, if you like pizza. Everything in here, guys. They have macaroni and cheese. They have everything that you need here. They even have milk. Milk is on this section, but it's out. But they usually have milk here. So as you can tell. And actually they have snacks, guys. You want bread, you like candy, like me, they do. Ketchup and everything that you need food here. If you don't have ketchup, you know, quick for your whatever snack you wanna, you have kids, quick eating, everything, it's in here, guys. You see the juices is here, everything is $1.25. That's why I say this is a store for poor people. Yes, guys, look at this. You can literally come here, get your plate, silverware, everything is here. It's $1.25, and you can choose what color you like. These plates actually are really good. Let me grab one so you guys can see. And look at that, really nice plate. You can literally go with this or go with these bowls right here. Very nice. Look at the cups right here. Everything is $1.25. So in America, you decide how you want to live your life, okay? They have glasses, wine glasses if you like a wine lover. You see, they have this cute fancy glasses here. Look at that. Yeah. So literally for your kitchen stuff, they have here. For your party, right here. Guys, for the party, you're cooking, you know, you're trying to save your food right here. This is all they have. Everything, your foils are here. You see, actually everything is $1.25. So don't worry in America if you think that you don't have money or you you can't wear or have something someone has, you can literally come here. They start at if you're moving from, as I tell you guys, you're moving from out of the country with a family or by yourself, or you just want a green card, you just moved to the US and you don't know where to go. Every state in US, they have this kind of stores. Go ahead and find, you see, everything you need here for your storage is here, right here. So every state in America, they have this kind of store. So it doesn't matter where you live in America. Go to these stores, guys, if you don't have anything, and start your life. Don't just stress yourself. Go start your life with just $1, $2. You can just literally grab from the brooms, you can sweep your house. Everything you need in here. It's here. You wash your dishes, guys, right here. What do you need? They have even a variety. $1.25 you wash your dishes. $1.25 you wash your bathrooms. $1.25 you're eating. $1.25 you have gloves. $1.25 you're a blanket for babies. Everything, your makeup, your thing. Guys, didn't I show you the makeup? I think the makeup is somewhere. So if you cannot afford those fancy makeups that people have, you can come here and, guys, grab your makeup. Let me see where the makeup is. Yeah, right here, guys. This aisle right here. Didn't I tell you? You can get all your skincare right here. Everything you need for your skincare is right here. $1.25. So this is a store for poor people. Okay. So ladies, if you're new here in America, don't be stranded or struggled and say you don't have money. You can literally feed yourself here. I wanted, look at this clippers right here. So everything you need for your manicure and pedicure is right here. Oh well, guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna end this video here. The next video I'm gonna do for you is another store. I'm gonna be maybe taking you to a little bit pricey store. We see what they have. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.